Alright, this is just a quick video to show you the 3-camera sample video. The reason I'm doing a screenshot is because it's just a lot easier for me to show you. So here is a video of the camera that I just took out, and let's go ahead and watch it. It's just a quick video. There's no sound, so it makes it easier. So you got this old format over here. It's not a 16:9, as you can see, and it's hard to read the license plate. So not the best image, but even though over here you have MOV, when we close it, it's actually an AVI file, as you can see right here, and the file size for that is 440 megabytes. So that 3-camera dash cam, it's a little bulky, even though it look a little smaller, but now that I've used it and had a chance to check out some videos, you can see that it's not the best image. So it was kind of bulky for the other car, so that's why I just got the smaller one too, or the other small camera, even though it doesn't cover the side windows. But I want to show you that just so you can see that. So let me go ahead and pause this for a minute, see if I can add another video, or if not, that'll do it. Okay, so this is perfect. I found another one. So when you're looking at the videos, let me show you right here. So it records in video A, which is the front, and video B, it puts together the side cameras, or the other two pointing to wherever you want, and this is what it looks like as one video. So let me play that. And that's what it looks like. The right side is kind of weird because I had to move the camera up and down a little bit to match the other one. So those are the recordings for the side windows in one video. That's how it records. So there you have it. I hope that helps. Not the sharpest, but at least it's viewable.